Hi guys, Will here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through perhaps the easiest and most consistent trading strategy out there. And better still, you can apply this to absolutely any market, from stocks to Forex, i.e. foreign exchange pairs, to cryptocurrencies and so on. This is a strategy that will have you winning almost every single trade that you ever take until you completely wipe your account, that is, which is what most other trading gurus who will teach you a strategy like this do not want you to know. And just very quickly, before we dive in today, if you are struggling with your trading or you'd like to know more about how mechanical edges are traded, I've actually put together a free video course for you that will map out and explain everything in detail, along with walking you through exactly how mechanical rules actually work. If you'd like to watch that after this video, I'll pop a link to that in the description and you can click through and watch that straight away. Hi guys, Will here for WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that we share with the trading community here on YouTube. Anyway, let's get straight in to today's video. Now, firstly, let's start with the strategy itself before I explain why, despite its incredibly high win rate, you should never ever trade a strategy like this, despite how great it looks and how great it sounds. So how does the strategy work? Well, a personal friend of mine got in touch recently, who I actually know from high school. He's decided to start trading a few weeks ago, and he didn't want to join our Platinum program due to the size of the investment. And like most people, he opted for a signal service instead. So he found a service online. I believe he just Googled it. He paid the £50 per month fee, and off he went. And from the off, he was winning almost every trade, win after win after win. Trading is easy, he thought to himself, as he very slowly made a bit more money, until one day things quickly turned pretty sour, very sour. Just another winning trade, he thought, as he bought the pound-dollar market. But this time, instead of price heading straight for his take profit, it started slowly and steadily crawling against him, towards his stop loss. What he didn't realize, in fact, what no one in the whole group, in the whole Signal group realized, was that the strategy being used was not a strategy whatsoever. It was not a strategy at all. They were being told to take trades with a huge stop loss and a tiny take profit. Let me show you an example of this quote-unquote strategy on a chart. As you can see here, because the take profit is so small and the stop loss is so big, the market is almost always going to tag that take profit. Maybe 7, 8, 9 times out of 10, it is going to get there, until it doesn't, and that huge loss actually occurs, and more than likely it wipes your account, which is unfortunately exactly what happened to my friend. And I wanted to share this today because I've literally just come off a call a couple of hours ago with yet another trader who's been taught a strategy like this that wins pretty much every trade until it doesn't, and that huge account destroying loss finally occurs. And the crazy thing is, this is happening to most losing traders out there, and they don't even know why. They don't understand that your wins must outsize your losses in line with your win rate for you to be profitable. And if you only learn one single thing today, let that be it. I'll say it again. Your wins must outsize your losses in line with your win rate for you to be profitable. Let me give you an example. Firstly, a strategy that does not work. You might have, let's say, 9 wins, all at, let's say, a small 1R each, banking 9R. Yet if you have just one loss, at, let's say, a huge minus 15R, then you've wiped out all of your profit and you're left down by minus 6R. Exactly like the strategy that's actually being taught here in the Signal service that my friend was paying for before it wiped his account last week when he actually told me about this.
Secondly, let me show you a strategy that does work, similar to the ones that I teach inside my Platinum program. Let's take our price reversion strategy as an example here. So you might have, let's say, as an extreme example, 7 losses, okay, at a small, manageable -1R each for -7R. And yet, you might have just 3 wins out of this 10 trade sample size, all at, let's say, 3R each, bringing in a total of 9R, leaving you 2R up and 2R ahead of the market. Nothing groundbreaking, but bottom line, you are profitable. The former strategy does not provide you with an edge. In fact, it means the market actually has an edge over you. Whereas the second strategy that I've just explained, one that actually works, one that provides you with an edge, means that you continually beat the market over the long term. My point is this: you must trade a strategy that over the long term provides an edge. Sure, there will be losses, we all know that, but the losses are capped and they're kept small. Again, to repeat what I said earlier, your wins must outsize your losses in line with your win rate for you to be profitable. Or in other words, to really simplify this, there tend to be 2 types of strategy out there that do work. Number 1, a strategy with a high win rate but smaller wins. And number 2, a strategy with a lower win rate but larger wins. Whichever one you learn though, you absolutely must make sure that you cap your downside and you never ever lose more than just 1R on any one trade. And if you don't know what R means, or you don't know what an edge is, check out the free video course in the description, because that will explain both for you right away. And I also actually map out how a mechanical strategy that provides an edge actually works too. Again, make sure that you watch that next after this video. Click the link in the description and that's waiting there for you. Anyway, thank you for tuning in today. I really hope that helps, and I will see you back here on the channel next time.